Hey, what's up? Me and my friend Cliff found the lost dog. He been making us run for a while. There's a lost dog right there. We keep trying to walk up to it, but it keep running away from us. My friend Cliff is right there. He's trying to help me chase it. My idiot friend Cliff chased after the dog. Not supposed to run after dogs. That's stupid. They're gonna run away from you. Idiot. Look at that. Look at that idiot. If you was a small little dog and he started chasing after you, won't you run? Yup. That's exactly what happened. That's how he got this far. I'm gonna start walking around this so we can come back that way towards your house. Damn, it keep walking away from us. I'm going to start running, so this camera going to shake a lot. Damn it. You keep walking away. I'm trying not to make him see me run, because if he see me run, he going to start dipping. And that small dog can run mad fast. This guy's digging. Oh, cute. Oh, hold on. Crap. I'm not going to run after it. I think it's hurt. Dogs don't run like that. Okay, now it's running in the street. Come here. Come here. Gimme. Aw. Come here. It's so small. They keep running away from me. It's going to get hit. Oh. Come here. No. Ah. This dog is fast as hell. I'm gonna try to walk around it so I can bring it back to my friend's house. Come here, little doggy. Come here. No. Oh, damn it. Hey, excuse me. Is this white dog yours? Huh. Crap. Nobody knows who dog this belongs to, though. Come here. Come here. You're safe. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Stop. Stop it. Stop.
Come on, boy. I don't know who this dog is up here.
Huh?
Come on.
This dog made
Come
me...
on.
This
Rico.
small white dog made me chase him for like 2 blocks.
She gonna bite you. Whose dog is that? Rico, let's go.
I don't know.
Get your butt. Come on, Rico. Come on. Come on, Rico.
This dog tried to rape that dog.
Come on, Rico. Get your puppy. I feel like I'm...
What are you doing out? Get your behind over here.
Oh, that's your dog? That white dog yours?
He crazy.
Oh, I tried to chase him.
Damn, we were chasing around.
Well, he gonna chase you and run right back here.
Oh, okay, okay.
He always get out like so hard and throws on the fence and everything.
Under this? Oh, wow.
At least we found the owner because we were.
Yeah, we was going to help find the owner anyway.
Always get out.
Wow.
He'll run. One day a Rottweiler chased him.
Oh, I know he got away with it.
That dog was running so fast. When he crawls, he digs holes out there.
I just seen him digging like over there somewhere.
That's what he do. He does.